السلام عليكم شيخ أحمد.
السلام.
السلام عليكم فريد.
وعليكم السلام.
What do you think about Divine Drop Yemeni honey?
قلت لنا انه حنحس
حرقه.
مثل انه warm and I can feel it on the back of my tongue
Yep.
and in my palate in my mouth.
سبحان
فيني
الله.
احس الورمث منو حار بس طعمه مثل الجينجر
It's
قريب.
yeah, medicinal honey.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
والله I've never ever had honey and after it I could feel here like
سبحان الله. This is
burn,
the
like
Sal
it's-
honey.
It's good quality. You
you
can't
said
deny
that
it.
الدنيا
Yeah,
حق
I
حيصير.
also- yeah,
انا يا بس سبحان الله هلا بعد دقيقتين عم حس هون يعني
And it's getting worse. عم تحرق more and more.
بس حاسس عم
سبحان
تنظف
الله.
لي الزناعيم.
Yeah, it's very good for people who
Well, man.
smoking. It's clean, you know,
I
the
actually
throat.
need to
Yeah.
drink water. That's how strong
No,
it
no,
is.
but you know what? Look, I'm doing that. There's no بلغة coming out.
Yep. سبحان الله.
بسم الله.
الله يبارك فيك
حقيقي.
شباب
بالعافية عليكم
اخوان
شباب.
brothers and sisters والله buy this product. I'm telling you now you won't regret it and you'll thank us.
This is pure.
والله يبارك فيك جبت هالبرودكت على هالكونتري وعم تعلمنا وعم نشوف
بالعافية
هالغراض والله very very happy. الله يبارك
صحتين
فيك.
شيخ.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.